Good morning, middle schoolers. We are near the end of quarter three, which is pretty exciting for the week. And you have a few things to get turned in, it sounds like. There's some missing assignments right now that some of you are working really hard on, which we appreciate. As we start quarter four, it starts on March 22nd. So that's a week from Wednesday. You have Friday off as our staff is in doing some staff development and learning. And then you have Monday and Tuesday off as spring break. We start quarter four on that Wednesday, the 22nd, and there's a few things to know. We will have a shift to our working lunch and Laker times. If you have a working lunch assigned to you, you will stay now through Laker time. So you'll do working lunch and Laker time the entire time. We know that for some of you, you get in there and it's not enough time to complete some work, and you need to spend a little bit more time in a quiet space completing that. Your teachers will be in touch with you if they assign you to Laker time. Phones are a privilege, guys. So just a reminder, I know that many of you have had a great year with them. You've been able to use them appropriately, but phones are a privilege. So if you're not passing classes, if you're using them inappropriately when you're not supposed to be, those are a privilege. So just your reminder for that. We are working on your incentive days, so it looks like a little bit before our Easter break, we will have our third quarter incentive, and I'll be sharing that a little bit later. And fourth quarter is always the party on the patio as well. So there are a couple incentive days to look forward to. Looks like we might see 40 degrees here soon, and maybe some of this snow will melt. So crew, have a great end of the third quarter, and we are excited about one more quarter as we round out this school year. Have a great day, guys.